We were in a downward cycle. We wanted to do investing, and we just took a poor approach to it. We got into a house that we couldn't afford. We used the credit cards to pay a lot of our bills, to pay the taxes, and we were starting to lose ground, more and more ground. We were borrowing from one lender to pay another lender.
We kind of got caught up in the 0% for 6 months, and that's where the high interest really started to trap us.
And then we were totally going gung-ho, or I was, with remodeling. It was a summer that we got, our kids are adopted, and we, it was the first year we got our children, and I totally started tearing the whole house apart.
And we heard an ad on the radio on our way to church about becoming foster parents. And we just really felt like that was a calling for our life. And all of our kids came on August 30th of 2006.
We've had a commitment this whole time that we want Steph to be able to stay home and be with the kids. So that was something that I was looking at when we were like $60,000 of debt, and we were at a place where either she was going to have to go work, or we were going to have to make some drastic changes, and we chose to make some drastic changes.
And then I knew that other people had gone through CCCS, so I probably had, and I'd been wanting to do it, because I just knew we needed help.
I waited for almost a year. You know, she had mentioned it, and then I just felt like we would turn things around on our own. And for that year, we got another like $15,000 added into debt after the taxes and everything at the end of the year.
We made an appointment, and we went to your branch in Irving, I believe. Just very informational, very helpful. There wasn't pressure. Very clear in the explanation of how things worked. I mean, I felt like we didn't really have to ask too many questions. She really did a good job of explaining everything and letting us know. I think we were hoping that our monthly payment was going to go down. But, but we knew that this was what we had to do.
Each statement we get, it's encouraging to see, the accounts getting paid off, and then the money gets rolled over into the next one. And that snowball effect, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. And,
yeah, it really
that
does.
you see the light at the end of the tunnel.